This opportunity is so amazing, I came out of retirement so I could cash in with it. Oh, you know what? I have heard that sales pitch has been used in the network marketing business for all, I've been around network marketing for about 35 years now. And I've heard that sales pitch used for decades. And people just keep falling for it over and over. Oh, it starts out, I'm so-and-so and I've made millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars and I don't need money anymore. But this opportunity came along and it's so exciting. I am getting out of retirement so I can cash in with it. That sales pitch is old, it's tired, it's worn out, and don't believe it for a single minute, and don't believe network marketing. Look, if you're involved in network marketing, if you love it, then more power to you if you love it. I love the people in network marketing because they're dreamers and they're doers and they're looking for something more out of life, and that was the beginning for me. Going around to all these network marketing companies, getting all fired up, reading books on goal setting and success and motivation, and it helped me catch a bigger vision with my life. But for the most part, network marketing, if you want to make any substantial amounts of money, it's just not a good compensation plan, really. I don't have any problems with the people. I love the people. The products are great, the services are great, but the comp plan, look, the only way you'll ever make any serious money, let's say this, the only way you'll ever make 30, 40, 50,000 a month is by having many, many, many hundreds, if not thousands of people in your organization. And I don't care how easy the companies say that it is, it's not easy at all. It's a lie. It was about 2 years ago when I just said enough is enough. I am done with network marketing. It got to the point where, and I'm not bragging, please, this is not, in fact, if you listen carefully to what I say, you'll understand that I'm not bragging. I got to the point where I could make serious money, hundreds of thousands of dollars a year in any network marketing company. They wouldn't throw me out, okay? I got thrown out of a bunch of them, but we developed a system, probably starting in 2002, 2003. We developed a system where myself and my joint venture partners, we could make big money with almost any network marketing company. Again, we got thrown out of a bunch of them, but as long as their legal departments let us do what we wanted to do, which was nothing illegal. We were just building proprietary programs around their programs. That's all we were doing. Building our own proprietary programs around their programs. Then myself and my joint venture partners, we could make massive, massive, massive sums of money with any network marketing company we decided to promote. The problem is we couldn't duplicate it through our distributors. And that's the problem in the end, that's the problem with network marketing. And the only people that make any serious money, besides the people that are able to do what we were doing, are the master motivators, the dynamic, charismatic salespeople, the leaders, the great marketers, the masters, the people that are willing to travel from city to city, live in a suitcase, fill up hotel ballrooms, and if that's something that you want to do, if that's your goal, if that's your dream, then network marketing is out there for you. But for the average person, for you to think that you're going to make 30, 50,000 a month in network marketing without doing everything I just described, you can forget it. And it's easy if you just stay a little bit objective about it. It's easy to see. All you've got to do is look at all the superstars in network marketing. These are people that I just described. They're amazing, charismatic, motivated, dynamic public speakers, master salespeople and marketers. They know how to fire up crowds of hundreds and thousands of people. These are the people that get rich in network marketing. Now look, because I want to end this on a positive note. This is not a slam on It's the compensation plan. Network marketing companies pay small commissions that are scattered out over large groups of distributors. Therefore, the only way to make large amounts of money is to have a large group of distributors or affiliates or whatever you want to call them. Sometimes they choose different names. That's the only way to make substantial amounts of money. What you need is to get involved in an opportunity that pays you the maximum amount of money every time a sale is made. You need an opportunity that pays you more money for less sales. Again, some of those sales can come from a team of other people that you're working with, but you're able to also give them that same advantage, where they're able to make more money from less transactions that are done. It's just such a better way. Look, I love the people in network marketing, love the pep rallies, the enthusiasm, the excitement. There's nothing like all of that amazing motivation and all of that. But don't believe that you can make $30,000 to $50,000 a month or $100,000 a month without hitting the road, going from hotel ballroom to hotel ballroom, developing the skills of a master motivator, a dynamic public speaker. It's just never going to happen. And all you have to do is just look at the superstars with any network marketing company and you can see. They have those skills and abilities, and that's how they're making their money. So it's not... Look, I hope that, and by the way, all of this was prompted because somebody reached out to me earlier today and, TJ, you got to watch this video, and I turned it on and there's this guy going, I've made millions of dollars in the home business industry and I was getting ready to retire, and then I found this opportunity and now I'm coming out of retirement, and I'm just yawning to myself because I've seen that thing for decades. I mean, to this person that sent it to me, they had never heard that pitch before. It's all just nonsense. People don't just come out of retirement because this opportunity is so amazing or anything like that. Look, there's just so much hype and so much bullshit out there. You need an opportunity that every time a sale is made, very few people get paid. And that's different than network marketing. With network marketing, they've got 40 ways that you make money or whatever. 47 different ways that you get paid, all this nonsense, which simply means that every time a sale is made, they're dividing up the commissions in as many different ways as they can. You need an opportunity so that every time a sale is made, very few people get paid, so that you can make the most money per transaction, and the people that you bring in that become your joint venture partners or whatever have that same advantage. So anyway, thank you for listening to this. If you're one of my students, I hope you'll stay away from traditional network marketing. Unless you just want a great social kind of thing, if you want to hang out with amazing people and you don't want to make a lot of money, or maybe if you do want to be a superstar or whatever, that's your choice, and doing the things that I described there. But for the most part, if you're looking for something part-time and you want to make the most money for the least amount of hours, network marketing is not going to be your thing. Anyway, thank you for watching this. Hope something I've said has helped. If you're not one of my students and you want to know more about what I'm doing and who I am, click on the link below. Thank you very much, and bye for now.